Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the 550-piece Ferrite Putty Toy. Now this is a stress-free fidget toy for adults. It's received 4.3 out of 5 stars. It's an Amazon choice item and over 20,000 have been purchased in the past month alone on Amazon. Are you looking for a fun, interactive, and stress-relieving toy with a magnetic twist? Introducing this 550-piece putty fidget toy, a unique sensory experience that combines the malleability of putty with the magnetic power of particles. Stretch it, mold it, watch it attract and repel magnets, or create a mesmerizing shape. It's the perfect way to keep your hands busy and your mind engaged. Great for stress relief, focus, and creativity, this fidget toy is perfect for kids, students, professionals, or anyone who loves hands-on fun. Enjoy endless play possibilities, whether you're squeezing away stress or exploring magnetic science. This fidget toy delivers hours of entertainment. Experience the magic of magnets and release and decrease your stress. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.